Hey, how's it going, everyone? See here, the VIX popped a little top here outside the pattern. Looks like it wants to climb. Looks pretty bullish outside that pattern. Looking for a top on S&P. Pretty nice close for us. So the rising wedge outside the pattern, inside the pattern, busted outside a resistance back into support. Watching for today, see if that holds. Total outside day, dark cloud cover. Plus the reversal on the rising wedge. So two reversals in a row building. So let's see what happens with that. Miners are down. Looks like China popped a little bit off the bottom. Hugging support for NASDAQ. Dollar looks bullish and primed and ready. Over the 34, back into the 34 previous high breaks on the way up. Gold and silver having some troubles. Trying to find a bottom. Looks like for the morning open, another daily low. See how it looks on the weekly. Still hugging support. Still hugging support. Nice hammer on the gold weekly. So we need to make sure we cover that. 2-bar reversal on gold. Silver inverted hammer. 2-bar reversal. 2-bar reversal. 2-bar reversal. See who wins. Looks like a nice cup and handle on it. Little consolidation here. Primed and ready. Just waiting for the right moment, I guess. JNUG. Looks like we just got a little push. Watch for a previous high break on JNUG. Nice hammer. Inverted hammer. Made a turn, previous high breaks, over the 34, back into the 34, watch for the previous high breaks. That's a 1-minute chart. Daily's hugging support. So if this doesn't hold, watch out below. Always watch support. Support doesn't hold. Don't get mad at me when you hold it all the way down. Looks like we're making daily highs here. Previous high breaks coming in. Right through the daily high. Doing some cherry picking, see what's going on out there. I don't see much on miners. EGO still picking up the pace here. It's got nice volume on the open. Crushed it again. Damn. EGO get crushed all the time. JNUG for the win here. Previous high break right off the open. Let's see, Jack. Everyone's selling drugs. Let's see what's going on in the drug sector. Nice bust of air out there. ATOS, we mentioned that one yesterday, I believe, 25% up. It's like school on a Saturday. PTIE just breaking over previous highs now. Damn. Pumping too. It's got an average volume of 40,000, already at 200. Cherry picking. What's up, Steely? What makes it so amazing today? I'm looking for reversals. 2-bar reversal, 2-bar reversal. Dark cloud cover. I'm waiting for S&P to go negative today. Off its highs. Dow Jones, not much to see there. It's still making a high. 23.4 now. OCUL, right off the bottom there. Got an inverted hammer now. Make sure support holds, otherwise it falls into a falling star. See what happens here. JNUG. It's hugging support on that daily. Remember that. That falling star does not look good. Let's push into 17 and got rejected so far. Could be a nice inverted hammer over the previous highs, right? There she goes, down into support, back over the previous highs again. Boom, 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 boom. Yeah, PTIE just took off. Look at that average volume. It's very telling when the volume just takes a hike. PTIE, watch that one for a previous high break on the daily. Already broke previous highs over here on the open. Huge amounts of volume coming in. I have no idea. Looking good. It's at resistance now, though. Looks like it has enough volume to break previous highs. There we go. Let's look at the weekly and see how this thing pans out. Looks like a 2-bar reversal right over resistance. Into the 34, over the 34, back into the 34, now the double back across the previous highs for a flat top break. All in one move. Pretty nice. It's still at resistance though. Oh, they try to intervene. 666 again on JNUG. All right, I know. PTIE so far got rejected. Watch out for a previous high break across 5. Really nice run into resistance. ATOS, we mentioned that yesterday. Let's see if I can't find anything else. Gotta get my handy dandy search results in. Cryptos yesterday, just Bitcoin dropped off the mat 300 points overnight. And it looks like a sea of green on Poloniex. It was like throwing a dart. Couldn't miss. Bunch of 30% all the way up. Let's see, I gotta find my stock fetcher. Give me a second. Way too many windows open. I can't find what I'm doing. Let's see here. Oops. I just erased one. Nothing changed in this search results. J-Note, falling star. Be careful out there. PTIE trying to be for another run. Watch for the double top. Damn. Right through previous highs. Sliced right through it. No problem. Damn. Make sure you stay above 5 now. 5 is your support. Good emotional spot. 5 o'clock high. Boom, boom. Nothing else going on here. Watch for previous high breaks on this one for a maybe a matching high or a lower high. LABD, huh? Pumping it right across the 34 today. Pain Therapeutics. Who would have thought there's all that money in that? Damn. Holy moly. Holy moly. I wish I had $1 million. I wish every morning was like that one. Oh, when you open it up, big old giant present waiting for you. Wonder what resistance is. The previous lows coming in, resistance now. Previous low, previous high break in and around 550. Previous lows in and around 7. And if it wants to go all the way up, I mean, damn. Yeah, it's coming to an end, I do believe. It's way overextended. Everyone should be selling into the rally. Which time frame are you talking about? 23% drop? I'm not seeing any of that yet. Not on these. The VIX. Everyone's going to be talking about the VIX. S&P. Yeah. J-nut for the win here. Coming across. See if we can't take out that falling star. 1675. Nice hammer right over the 34. Looking for a break on previous highs. Take out that inverted hammer now, or the falling star. Reversal, reversal, reversal. Gotta watch for the reversals. Nice way to do things, huh? Use a little bit of math. JNUG struggling. I don't see nothing else. Hourly chart on NASDAQ looks like it's going into resistance now. Nice bounce off of support. It's a very thin line of support. So breakdown, bearish retrace, breakdown, bearish retrace. Watch for the rejections. Things don't look good for the indexes. But we will see here shortly. Yeah, PTIE, man. Wish I had some money on the open. That would have been perfect. Much for volume on this one. Looks like a bottom, previous high break, 2-bar reversal on the daily. It's not confirmed, but it could just move right on through previous lows all the way up to the range into the 8 there. We were watching this one a few days ago. Looks like support did not hold. Nice volatility move though. Something's going to happen on it. PTIE looks like a 15-minute high, double top on the open. Let it come back in. It's got to take it out. Otherwise, momentum's going to carry over onto the downside. Double top in play on 15-minute chart for PTIE. It's got to take it out. Ooh, still got some strength. CUR gearing up for something good. Flat top break coming. Looks like 146, 150. It's close. Looks like it can take it out any second here. Little power burst. JNUG is not having a good day. Dow Jones still on its highs. S&P making greater progress here. It's below support, or it's above support, below resistance, and a little pinch here. Gapped open, came all the way back into support on the previous break. So looking for some kind of a break or pop down. 60-minute chart, S&P. Everything's slow going. PTIE broke previous highs. It's got to be coming to a top sometime. 70%. Damn it. JNUC just took a hike down. Really lame. Yeah, let it come into support and try again. Looks like it lost its gas, but support is not too far away. Watch out below on PTIE as it's come to a top, a double top. Coming across the 8 for momentum reasons. Stay above the 8 at all costs. It's a 3-minute bar though, so watch for the quick and sweet ones, the quick and sweet consolidations maybe. Looks like a spinning top. Can't complain about 70% on the open, so. Cherry picking here. Looking for previous high breaks. IGC, India Globalization Capital Fund, whatever. JNUG being rejected again. JNUG's on a tether on the daily chart. Very thin line of support here. Had a nice cup and handle and that bailed. Failures always have deep consequences. See how that turns out. So do they treat the VIX as a futures account then? I've never actually bought the VIX. Anybody out there listening right now that want to look at cryptos? Because I don't see jack going on over here. I'm waiting for a reversal. Everything's slow to a still. Looking for a reversal on the S&P and it keeps gaining. Looks like it was going to fall over for a minute. S&P, Dow. Crypto dropped off. $300 points back into support. I get a spike down. Below previous highs, so that doesn't feel good for the Bitcoin. Could fall into the range here, maybe a spike low, higher low. JNUG coming back through some resistance. Do not know what it's doing. Looks bullish off this little turn here. Got lower highs putting in on PTIE. Watch out below. No one for cryptos, huh? Let's see how EOS did during the pop yesterday. Nice. So you're not allowed to hold it overnight? All the specialists are taking off the floor, aren't they? Just a bunch of computers back and forth now. They don't actually go to the floor anymore, do they? I don't think they do. That's what I heard. CDTX looks like a push into resistance here. Low volume poppers. Gotta watch them. Nothing else going on really. No one goes to work anymore, I know, right? I'd like to stay home too and trade all day. EOS. Looks like I should have put some more money into it before it popped. Litecoin. Let's take a longer view here. Looks like it's coming off of support for Litecoin. This is per the dollar. Above 70 is a bullish move. Looks like it's coming back through resistance. Bullish pop across the 34 back into support. 2-bar reversal today. Gold and silver, it just feels like we're back where we were yesterday after the pop. Struggling. Make sure silver doesn't do what JNUG just did on that cup and handle. Failure. Could be a long road downwards. Right? Looks like VT here. Look for a previous high break. Looks like a volume pop coming. Not a lot of volume, but watch it. Watch the break on those volumes. PTIE putting in 8 million shares off of an average of 40,000. So watch those things. Looks like PTE hit a bottom. It's retracting now. Could take another leg, I guess. Look at that thing. Very huge amounts of volume. Or fan, I was watching that one the other day. It looks like it came back into support, gathered its legs, try again. Watch for the previous low breaks. Lower high on PTIE. It's got to take it out. I got some bullish higher lows coming in on JNUG. Watch for previous high breaks into previous lows right up that range. Still have to take out that opening falling star. It's on a tether on a daily support line. It's got to pick up the bait. It's got to pick up the beat. It's going to lose it. Stupid JNUG. JNUG's on a tether on the daily support line. It's not acting very well. It's flirting with breakdowns here. I don't know why it keeps doing that. Why the freak is it doing that? Call myself a glitch. What's up, Billy? Sorry, I got a glitch in my little watch list. I got to figure out what's going on here. You're right, Bill. The master of future telling. Oops. I don't know why that glitch was there. JNUC struggling on daily support lines. Very, very concerned about the JNUG. PTIE looks like it's ran its course. It's coming in on a lower high now, so be careful down below. Pretty good run. 70% was the highs. Pretty good. Let's see. Crude coming back into support. I'm looking for the reversal still. Still holding its highs. Or holding itself up here. S&P. Looks like a Dow increased its lead. Looking for some poppers. I got nothing. Sucks. Let's see what's going on with oil. USEG, if anyone caught that. It's on the watch for a previous high break. There it went. Pretty nice run. Let's see what stock fetcher can add here. JNUG, here we come. Right off of support. It's got to have some legs here, though. Back through resistance, previous lows. Right now, it's at resistance. I thought I had this in my watch list. It looks like daily just coming back into a bullish stair step down into support, forming that right shoulder. Left shoulder, head, right shoulder. Left, head, right shoulder coming back into support. Previous low here. Right over the 34, back into the 34 for the right shoulder sling back. That's a daily. Weekly is just consolidating right under the 34. So a little stair step into support, above support, below resistance. It's in a pinch. Into resistance, stair stepping back into support. That right shoulder on the daily. Looks good. It's just gearing up for a move, but that's a weekly chart, so it could take a while. I mean, it could literally come all the way back into 17, 18, that right shoulder. So, not sure what kind of funds you got, but situation like that, I would buy into support. Long-term monthly looks like it wants to pop. Coming across, I got a 2-bar reversal on the monthly, so it hit resistance on that push, and now it's coming back into support. I would stay above 50% of the previous candle for momentum. Make sure you keep momentum on the upside. Well, there's a bunch of lines coming down into you. As a weekly, it would be more defined. I got a previous high right there at 2066, the 8 sitting right above, and I think that 8 is correlating between the previous low and the previous high balance point here. So stay above 20. It's a good emotional spot. Looks like it's coming out of overbought situation on that weekly too. But that is a consolidation phase right under the 34 on the weekly. Could turn on a dime at any moment. Stay above 20, it looks like. Watch for the pop below 20, back through 20. They like to do that a lot. Testing support lines. JNUG forming a right shoulder now. No problem, Bill. Good luck. Back to the drugs. Nothing like the drugs in the past few weeks. Wonder if the pharmaceutical market's holding up the S&P and the Dow. Wouldn't that be sick? BNTC. It's a weekly chart. Low volume. Wait for the pops. Watch that right shoulder on JNUG. Make sure we hold support. Patterns do fail. That is a reverse head and shoulders on the 1 minute chart. Just hugging support now. Just slapped it, and then it broke. Still struggling. Had a nice burst of volume right past the failure line there. Stupid JNUG. Looks like the pattern failed. Watch and see what happens when patterns fail. Look at the failure. Look how volatile it gets when patterns fail. Stupid. Dow Jones on its highs again. S&P makes higher highs. Not higher highs. Bullish piercing pattern on JNUG. Silly little thing, isn't it? Got 21 seconds to recover here. Could be a bullish piercing pattern or a bearish retrace. Which one? Which one? I got 13, 12, 10. Looks like it's failing. Bullish piercing pattern for nope, nope, yep, nope, yep. It's a bearish retrace. And the drop on. Someone's going to drop the hammer on this here real shortly, it feels like. Boom. Let's look at a longer term here, see if we can't find support somewhere. Otherwise, that flat bottom is going to break down. Oh, too late. Damn. We got 3 minutes on the 60-minute chart here. It's got to stay above that line. Jeez. Slamming it down. Support lines on the daily don't look good now. Previous low breaks. Watch out below if that breaks down. JNUG, you're POS, man. Ever since the reverse split. There it goes, JNUG. Not good, not good. Previous low breaks, the flat bottom there. Pretty nice rejection on JNUG. Yep. The dollar is bullish off of that posture there. Over the 34, back into the 34. Here we have previous high breaks coming on the dollar. Thing is, on the monthly, I keep mentioning it, it's a bear trap into resistance at 96. So when we get to 96, let's revisit this concept of the bear trap. I just made that up though. It's a bearish retrace back into the cross over the 34, back into resistance on the monthly. But the weekly has a very, very good volume, posture for a pop into 96 where the 34 is. So once it gets to 96, let's reevaluate everything. But it does look bullish. Right. I don't know if it's going to pan out that way, but it seems to me a long time ago that would make a lot of sense. But nowadays, it's really hit and miss. I can't figure out any kind of systematic thing going on. They're slushing too much money around. The swaps. ATOS coming into resistance of previous highs and that gap. Resistance. Sell into, the key is selling into resistance. JNUG is not doing well. I think we should turn it off. It's a bearish flag into resistance now. The breakdown, bearish flag. See the pole, see the flag into resistance. Stupid JNUG. Damn. PXLW. Stay above previous highs. Oop. Looks good. Good eye. Nice stair step into support. Watch the previous high breaks. Got to take out that double top. Bearish flag. Rejection. Watch for the previous low breaks. J-Nug. I'm gonna follow it all the way down, I guess. I just came out of a bearish flag, so I don't know. Maybe a spike low, change my sentiment. It's coming out of oversold, though. You're right about that. Could be just a head fake across resistance or across support back through resistance. Little downward head fake so far on J-Nug. You can see the previous low double bottom here, bearish flag, and then the head fake. The cross below previous lows, and then the head fake doubled back. 2-bar reversal. It's got a lot of resistance on the way up, though. Came through support, or through resistance, back. So now we have support again. Little head fake on the 1 minute. The tricks and games that we play. A hunch? No. uh, um, I often have to remind myself to stick to the rules because I do. It's that whole emotional thing. I gotta remind myself to go get a poster board and put right on the middle, so I'm staring at it all day long. Follow the rules. Every day I remind myself. What a stupid mistake that was. I should have just followed the rules. Yep. Volume on the reversal, yes. Well, I guess True Grit, I do have a hunch on EOS on cryptos. So I guess you can take your idea there and say, yes, I do. But this is a hunch a year out. So I'm looking for a year out hunch. Yesterday on cryptos, the Bitcoin dropped 300 points, and everything, all the crypto markets jumped about 20% off their lows. So for me, this is a hunch, and it's not going to be open for another 6-7 months. So I'm just going to throw money at it. 20 here, 20 there, 100 here if I make it big. Last time I dropped a 0.1 Bitcoin because I had a huge day on Omni and STR on cryptos. So yeah, I guess I do the hunches. But does the hunch pan out ever? I don't know. I don't know. But I guess we all do that kind of stuff. I have a hunch on the dollar going to 96, but I have to break previous highs, and I got this little reversal bar here sitting on the daily chart. I got to take this out to get the 96, and reversal bars have huge amounts of resistance on the ends. So we are breaking into this reversal bar. I have to break previous highs on the way out and take out that whole candle on the top there at 94.25. So my hunch is 96, but I have a lot of work to do. It's a reverse head and shoulders too. So I got the momentum. I got the price pattern. I got 95.50 all the way into 96 for resistance. And depending how long it takes, if this takes 3 months to get the 96, it's likely to hit 95 and retrace first. So 95, retrace, and then back and forth, back and forth, back and forth into the next line, if it ever gets there. That is a reverse head and shoulders. Taking my hunches and doing a little work. Previous high breaks into 97, it says. So lots of work to do, but my hunch is 96, the average of 95, 97. I had a girlfriend once, and she never gone fishing. And I told her before she threw it in, it's likely you're going to catch a fish right away, because that's just the way luck is. She didn't catch anything the rest of the day. Beginner's luck. Got to be careful of good old, what was that, Murphy's Law. Lots of work to do. S&P's climbing. It's really pissing me off. Why not just take that reversal and run with it? Everyone's selling into the rally, it looks like. There's got to be hyperinflation out there. Hourly chart, Dow Jones put in a double top. So watch that for the rest of the day. I got to get going. Good trade on PTIE if anyone was watching on the open. ATOS, we mentioned that previously. Skin kind of dropped off the map after its rise, but the slingback was so hard and heavy. I'm thinking that the price is going to expand here, coming out of an oversold situation as well. Kind of missed that one. We were watching it before though. Yeah, they're coming out. The crypto market is changing rapidly. It's very, very hard to keep up. Yeah, they're coming out with a gold and silver backed. Saudi Arabia is going to have a gold crude-backed crypto. I believe they're coming out with that. Russia crypto, China crypto. It's changing rapidly. It's going to change everything, so I would try to keep up with it, but it's just one of those things. How much time do you have? There's a lot of I would buy a gold-backed crypto. I would feel more comfortable with that than going the route of what was it, Bitgold or gold money. I mean, with these cryptos, you don't need a bank anymore. You're going to be your own bank. You're going to hold the keys. You're going to hold all this money in your own central bank. It's going to change everything. We won't need government. We won't need banks. We won't need any authority telling us what to do with our money anymore. But the free market will prevail. I do believe. NASDAQ's looking for a crypto so we can trade all night long. It's a smart contract concept. So I don't know. There's a lot of I got 2 of them in my watch list now. PRELF. That one's coming back into support after its run up. Oh, I don't have a good thing on that. Keep forgetting about that. Look, I got falling star. I got a 2-bar reversal as well, coming one after another. So watch out below 170, stable over 170 on PRELF. And then the other crypto, they're mining cryptos and putting it on the stock exchange here. So some opportunities if you're not in cryptos. BLKCLF, Global Blockchain Technology. They're doing mining, I think. So I haven't heard of a good crypto backed by gold and silver yet. Those 2 I mentioned, I believe they're mining Ethereum, Dash, and the such. We'll have to wait a little bit longer to get those smart contracts out, and maybe I don't know. The bigger market's supposed to have a ETF coming out for Bitcoin. I'm not very happy about that though, because that just means a derivative of Bitcoin. And so now we're off. So we have something that's decentralized, and all of a sudden we have a derivative tied to it now, and it's just retarded. I don't think that I don't know how long that would last. But anyways, I'm going to call it a day. Appreciate you guys coming back again and again and again. Let's keep it going. Make sure you tip your bartender. I got stuff in the description. I got PayPal. I got cryptos. You can donate any way you like. I prefer cryptos for now, but cash is money. But I will talk to you guys later. I try to be a little bit more early tomorrow. I was late because it's so hard to get my thing all set up. It takes me like 20 minutes. Wait for the time change so I don't have to get up at dawn over here in Arizona. I'll talk to you guys soon. See ya.